In this video, I will show you how to integrate Jira with SharePoint. First, go ahead and log into your Jira account. Then on the left panel, go to Apps and click on Explore More Apps. Now once inside, just go ahead and search for SharePoint connector for Jira. Then just go and select on this one. Now you need to install it. To do that, click on this Try It Free button. After that, click on Review at the bottom. Then go ahead and start your free trial. Now just wait for it to install. And there you have it, your app is now added. You can go ahead and configure it for you to manage your app. Now go back to your projects. Click on one of your projects. And in here, you can go to Board. Then select one of your issues. Now if you click on this icon, you will have the option to use SharePoint and OneDrive. Now you can attach a file or folder from it. Just go ahead and connect a folder. Then choose on SharePoint. For here, you need to log into your Microsoft account. That's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.